Are you suffering from poor indigestion? Are you suffering from cold and cough? Are you facing lungs and respiratory issues? Then I have a solution for you. Come, let's start the video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Ayurchikitsa. Today I came with a very useful Trikatu Churnam which will solve your indigestion problem, stomach ulcer and other gut issues. Trikatu Churnam is a Sanskrit term. Tri means combination of 3 herbs, black pepper, long pepper, and it is called as pipali. Dry ginger, Churnam means pungent. Trikatu is stimulative in nature, good for liver and pancreas. It stimulates the stomach to produce enzymes. It helps in digestion problems and it's good for respiratory system. Take a pan, keep on low flame. Once it is hot, add black pepper, dry roast it. Black pepper is also known as the king of spices. Consuming black pepper, it aids in weight loss. It's good for digestion, prevents cancer and other deadly diseases. By detoxifying the body, black pepper cleans your intestine and stomach, helps in producing red blood cells rich in vitamin D and produces calcium, prevents constipation. Add pipali, it is called as long pepper, dry roast it. Pipali is an essential herb used in various Ayurvedic medicines. It's an effective home remedy in managing cough and cold. It balances the kapha doshas. If you have stomach ulcers, it's better to consult the doctor before using it. Pipali helps to control the symptoms of asthma. Add dry ginger, dry roast it. Dry ginger also relieves pain and discomfort in the stomach caused by chronic indigestion problems. It reduces the menstrual pain. It helps nausea and morning sickness in pregnant ladies, lowers the blood sugar, removes toxins from the body and nourish the skin. Daily 3 to 4 grams for normal people. If you're pregnant lady, take 1 gram of dry ginger powder. It reduces all gastrointestinal issues. Finally, blend all, make fine powder. Store in airtight glass jar. Take 1/4 teaspoon of Trikatu Churnam. Mix with 1 spoon of honey. Mix well. Consume every 10 to 15 days once. It resolves all your indigestion problems, constipation problems, gas troubles, other gut issues. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please do like, share and comment. And this will boost us to do more and more informative videos